Hi, my name is Abigail and welcome back to Abigail's Craft Time. Hi, and today we're going to be doing a review of Rainbow Gummy Candy Lab, and we should get started. So this is what you're going to need for this review. 4 bowls, toothpicks, scissors, tablespoon, teaspoon, and a plate. And last of all, water. Let's get started. So that's how you make your own candy, and now you just have to put them in the refrigerator until they're solid. So I just got this candies out of the refrigerator, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take them out and put them in this box it came with. And we can also decorate them with these cool stickers they gave us. So it came with this extra packet and it's sour mix. And what you do is you're gonna take your little bag, which I already decorated it, and you're gonna put it in there and shake it all up with that. So first of all, we're gonna open it first, of course. So this is sour mix, so I'm only gonna use a spoon and not fill it all up. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna put it all in there. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shake it all up. Shake-a-dibba-doo, shake-a-dibba-doo, shake-a-dibba-doo. So it's all shaked up now. They look cool. So these are the candies that I got to make, and these are the ones with the sours. So let's get started. So I'm gonna try the cloud sour one first. Ooh. This is real sour. Maybe I added too much sourness, but that's okay. Now I'm just gonna taste the blue unicorn. That's sour too. It's a lot sour too, and it has sweetness to it, so it's kind of like sweet and sour. Now my unicorn broke off its head, so I'll just try it out. It's good, real great. It's sweeter actually, has its own flavor. Now I'm gonna try the non-sour rainbows, because I didn't make any sour rainbows, which is pretty much good. Ooh, I'm ready to try out. This tastes exactly like real candies. I love the blue one better. Now I'm gonna try the vanilla clouds, which I'm excited because I've never had a vanilla gummy before. The best one that I liked is, drumroll please, the rainbow ones. So I had a lot of fun making this gummy candies, and please like and subscribe so that you can never miss one of my videos. And thanks for watching today. Bye!